Hi guys, it's Tammy and welcome to Foodie Friday. I know that you guys really like this, so I am trying to do it more consistently. I only have 5 eggs left, so I'm going to use all 5 of these eggs and then make sure that I have some more on my list for next week. But I just have an empty bowl. I'm going to put all of these eggs into this bowl. And I didn't even tell you what I'm making, did I? Haha. It's going to be a surprise. No, it's like a breakfast egg bake. I don't really know what to call it, but that's what I'm calling it. And I have done this before. My kids love it. Well, my son loves it. My daughter is now vegetarian, so she wouldn't eat it. Yes, that's all 5. Although you could make it vegetarian easily. Sorry, I have to wash my hands or wipe them off with this. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my eggs just because that's how I like to scramble them. If you want to put milk in yours, you're eating it. Do what you want. I particularly like water in my scrambled eggs. I have this really cool whisk thing. I think I got it at Hobby Lobby of all places, but I enjoy it. So I'm just going to beat that up really well. I don't know if you guys can see this. I probably need to get this a little higher, but that's what they look like. Sorry. Let me see if I can make this higher. Pardon me, you're on a ride. I don't know if it's going to be stable. I'm just going to leave it on the ground, or on the island. Sorry, guys. Yikes. It's still not very stable. But I'll do my best to show you. So, it's just eggs that I've beaten. This is totally crooked. Way to go, Tammy. And I'm going to add some cheese to this. And I don't really know how much. This is going to be 5 different servings at least. Probably 6. I'm just going to dump. It's probably a half a cup of cheese left in there. I even got some more in case I need it, but I don't think that I do. I think that will be plenty. If you wanted to add some vegetables, you could. And I'm going to add some salt. And some pepper. I love this stuff from Pinsy's. It's Pinsy's pepper. It says world's best pepper. And I am sorry, I think this like keeps moving. There we go. I personally love pepper, so I put quite a bit in, and I enjoy that world's best pepper. It really is good pepper. Again, that is optional. As much or as little as you want. Now I have already greased my pan or oiled my pan with this misto. I don't know if you guys have one of these, but if you don't, I would really highly recommend these. These are, you fill them with whatever oil you want. So I have olive oil in it, and then you just take it and you pump it, and then it creates an aerosol just like Pam or whatever. And we're going to use some Hillshire Farm honey ham. And this has 70 calories per 2 ounces, and there's 4.5 ounces in here, 3 carbs and 9 proteins. So I don't know. I should probably weigh out a couple slices and see how much they are. But if you did 4 of these, we're probably going to use a serving for the whole dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take 1 slice out, and I'm going to just fill it in my muffin pan like that. and it's okay if it breaks a little bit. And you can, I just like the thin cut, but you can use deli cut, you can use turkey if you'd prefer, or chicken. You could leave the meat out altogether. You could add bacon to your eggs and leave the meat out. You could add bacon to your eggs and leave the meat in. This is totally customizable to whatever your tastes are and what you have on hand. And if you wanted to add 2 slices of meat, by all means. You do whatever you guys like. So I have that full of ham. I'm going to rinse my hands again. And then I'm just going to pour this mixture pretty evenly into each one. Now, it won't be even an egg in each one because I only had 5. So you only want to fill it about 1/2 to 3/4 anyway, probably 3/4, because it will get bigger, like it will, you know, when it bakes. But I'm going to try to be careful. Gosh, I might have more than I need even in here. That ham wall tries to fall down. I'm going to make it stay up. Gosh, look, I still have a lot. Can you guys see that? A lot of stuff left. I'm going to fill it up even more. So these might be kind of puffy. And there's a big clop of cheese on that one. All right, so now I have a little bit of cheese left. There are 6 big muffins. I'm hoping that you guys can see that. They're all pretty full. And I'm going to bake this in 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to put it in the oven now, and then I'll be back. Okay, so these are fresh from the oven. They look fabulous. Hopefully you guys can get a good picture of that. See how they've like bubbled up and kind of expanded? That's really good. I will wait for them to cool, and then I will take one and cut it so you guys can see that too. Okay, well, I'm really not going to wait very long, so let's just go ahead and get one of these bad boys out. I may have let it cook just a little bit too long because there's some of these little ham pieces are a little bit crispy. This one totally is, but I think I'm going to take this one. It's a smaller piece, and it should pop out pretty easily. Not too bad. There's some leftover like scrambled egg in the thing. I can just get that out if I'm interested. And then if you want to add salt and pepper at this point instead of inside, that's fine too, but this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just all nice and cooked. And hopefully that lighting isn't too bad. I can't really tell if you guys can see that. Ugh, frustrating. Maybe that looks a little better. So you can see how the inside is. It's just nice and cooked. So I'm going to take a little bite here. I know that you guys like when we do that. And I'm going to have a little bit of everything. Oh my goodness. It's fabulous, guys. I hope you guys try it. It's super easy. There's about 2 carbs and 9 grams of protein. Pretty decent per serving. So thanks so much, guys. Bye-bye. So for you weight loss patients, just so you know how much I ate about half, maybe a little bit less, of my egg bake. It is very good, but it is filling, and I could not eat it all. So I'm gonna have to do some more protein somewhere, probably in a protein shake. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.